Repairing modern electronics like smartphones, motherboards, and gaming consoles requires precision heat control. But choosing the right BGA rework station can be confusing. Low heat stability, slow desoldering, and poor temperature accuracy can ruin a PCB. Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best BGA rework stations of 2025, perfect for chip-level repair, reballing, and motherboard service. Many cheap soldering tools fail during heavy motherboard work. Heat drops, airflow becomes unstable, or sensors burn out. Some stations take too long to reach temperature, while others can damage sensitive chips. When working on BGA chips or SMD components, choosing an accurate and stable rework station is critical. This is where proper BGA rework stations stand out. They offer strong power output, precise closed-loop temperature control, stable airflow, and advanced safety features. Whether you repair phones or motherboards professionally, a reliable BGA station ensures clean removal and perfect reflow. Number 5. RF4 New1000W Hot Air Rework Station. The RF4 New1000W is a powerful hot air gun soldering station designed for fast desoldering and chip-level repair. It features up to 1000 W high-power heating, which delivers quick temperature rise and stable airflow. The digital display provides precise temperature feedback, making it ideal for PCB chip repair. With intelligent control and strong airflow, this station is perfect for fast, efficient desoldering. Number 4. SUGON T61400W Soldering Station. The SUGON T61 is a 400W high-performance soldering station that supports C470, C245, and C210 handles. It offers precise temperature control and extremely fast heating, perfect for phone PCB and BGA repair. Its large soldering capacity and stable performance make it ideal for fine electronic work, microsoldering, and motherboard rework. Number 3. AIXUN T3A Smart Soldering Station. The AIXUN T3A is a smart 200W soldering station designed for professional motherboard repair. It supports both T12 and T245 handles, offering versatility for different soldering tasks. With intelligent temperature control and super-fast heating response, it ensures stable operation during BGA and PCB repair. Its compact design and strong performance make it one of the best mid-range soldering stations. Number 2. ATTEN ST862D Hot Air Rework Station. The ATTEN ST862D is a powerful 1000W hot air soldering station designed for lead-free and precision BGA rework. It features automatic sleep mode, strong airflow, and fast heating. Available in 110V and 220V options, it's suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. Its accuracy makes it perfect for desoldering SMD, BGA, and delicate components without overheating. Number 1. IR6500 Infrared BGA Rework System. The IR6500 is a full infrared BGA rework system used for high-end motherboard repair. It features closed-loop temperature control, multi-zone heating, and precise thermal management to protect sensitive chips. This station supports USB connectivity for advanced control and monitoring. Ideal for laptops, consoles, and CPU/GPU chip reflow, the IR6500 delivers stable, professional-grade performance. If you need precision, power, and reliability for motherboard or phone repair, these BGA rework stations offer excellent performance. From compact soldering stations to advanced infrared systems, there's a perfect option for every repair technician. Which BGA rework station fits your repair needs? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more repair tool reviews. Product links and details are in the description. Hit the bell icon so you never miss future updates.